Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about how to create a view template in Revit. Okay, let's find out. In this view, I am going to create a template, and you are creating a new view. You can apply this template in every view. Okay, let's go. Before we are going to create a template, we need to understand about visibility and graphic override. This is a template. It's a basically you are controlling visibility and a graphic override. You want to see this element, the line is dotted, or you want to apply the line, the hidden line. You want to apply the color on the element. And here you can control this, then you are able to apply the template in any view. Just like that, I was going to create before we create in the 3D view, we were going back to the entry level, the level 1 and the level 2. I was going to explain to you this 2 level and a 3D view. This video I was going to take a little longer to understand about view template, the creation, and you can duplicate, and you can apply any other view, just the same view, just something like we're going to start it right now. Okay, in here you look at this, the view here, visible style is we are currently using the shaded, and here detail level just cool. I will change back to the fine, and look over here, the floor, you see the gray out. If you want to present in your drawing into the drawing data block, that you don't want to see the gray of the floor, you call the VV, or you can click on here, visibility and the floor. You go into the floor. Okay, you select over it. This what is the category here, that's the floor. You want to change the color, and here, and you go to visibility, go to the floor, and look over here. This is a projection and surface. That's a cut plane. This is when the view is cut to your element, is you can control in here. There's a projection surface, is any cut line, and is any views not cut through to your object, you can control in here, line, pattern, and transparency. So what we are using for this, I was going to apply in the pattern is a white color. In here is just a white color. Applying it, you can choose this, and you can make it in solid fill. And you look at this. But if you want to this boundary of the floor, you want to change the color. What I'm gonna do is you just override this, the pattern, and just leave it that you want to apply the color in here. Is like the what color should I choose? Okay, let's say I will apply this. Oh no, I will apply. Okay, I will apply this color. Just look over this. Just apply it. Look over this. The floor boundary, we choosing this like orange color, and here the surface is white color, but I'm not applying the white color. Maybe I will using just, if you want to clear out this, just clear override and become the gray color. If I apply the transparency a little bit, he become the white color. Let's see here. Look over this. The reason why I apply the transparency inside this this model, applying the river, I would like to see the river in this floor plan. And here you see the black color. I wanted to apply this is inside the floor. I made it the hidden line, and then applying the green color. So how I'm going to do it, let's see here. This is the structural river. If you wanted to know this category is, you just select the element, you look over here in the property bar, here structural river. So I'm going to apply the VV, or you go into here, visibility and graphic override. You're looking for the structural river. In here, I want to apply the line, and the color is hidden line. and I want to choose the color is green. Just select over it. Look at this. The hidden is, if you want to, one is inches 1/8. Okay, the river is a green color and a hidden line. The floor boundary is, I will choose the orange color in here. Then how about the wall? Okay, the wall is a different thing. You see this is different. I will going to choose it, this one. Going to the wall. If you apply it in here, it doesn't work because the wall is height wall, but this view range is he cut to the wall element. I was going to show you the VR view range. You look at this, 308, 300. He cut to the 308 and associate the level from level 1 up to the 300. He cut to the wall. That is why you are able to see this wall. I was going to select this wall. What is the height? Okay, look at this. Entry level, level 1, 2 up to level 2. The wall is more than 300. So that's the reason he cut to the view range, cut to the floor, cut to the wall. Then I was going to choose this graphic visibility. Going to the wall. Okay, just the scenario is a floor. We are choosing this. It won't be changed in the wall. I was going to explain to you. That is a sample, but you will be noted that it whatever you change is a line, color. Here, look at this. It doesn't change anything. If you are already applying here, it doesn't change anything. Okay, I will clear override. Then the pattern, if you want to solid here, look at this. It doesn't change anything because the view range cut to the wall is here. You can apply it here. The transparency will work. You look at this. Transparency is the whole element he would apply for you, but the line and pattern is, it doesn't work because the floor, the wall is in cut. The view range is cut to the wall. That's a reason you cannot apply in here the projection column here. So I will not need this. So I will make it the wall. Okay, I would give it the solid and the yellow color in here. Look about this. This template, I was going to create this template for the wall. The color is the yellow. Okay, how about this, the pine cut? And look about this. Okay, I was going to see inside the 3D view. You look at this. The floor is this. He cut to this one. In the drawing, we cannot show in the dotted line because the floor surface and the pine cut surface are the same level. It must be the solid line in your drawing presentation. So what I'm going to do is, so I don't for this tutorial, I don't want to see this color for the gray out. I was going to, okay, before we go into the template, we need to know what the category is. Here, structural foundation. Going to the structural foundation here, and over here the pattern. I just wanted to, what should I give it, that is the surface. Okay, the pattern, and I would like to, okay, the same as the floor. I was going to transparency 20. Look at this, a white color, but I just wanted to see this is I will try another one. Is gray, the white color in here. Okay, the white color. You see the pine is a hidden line. I still wanted to see. If you are applying and without this and applying the transparency, but you are not able to see the pine. The whole thing is a solid line, but the pine is under the pine curve, so it must be the hidden line. So what is that's the reason I will choosing the sorry, it's not here. The structural foundation here, transparency clear override. In here I will choose a solid fade and a white color in here. just click over this. Stay, we are wanted to see the whole that, but the boundary line, if you wanted to applying the color or anything, okay, we are going to structural foundation here. Where is the structural foundation here? Line pattern. I will apply the color is magenta color. Okay, look at this. Magenta color is a boundary. Okay, look over here. What is that? That is the column. You see the structural column. That's the category is structural column. And if you don't like to see the gray out, so we can apply the color for that. If you and also the concrete shape. The concrete shape, it will come from. We're going to explain to you that this come from the material. This material in here. I will explain to you this. You click over this material and appearance and the graphics. Look at this couplate. We wanted to show you this. If you want to change the color of the black color to red color in here, I was going to apply this. Look at this, the red color inside the material, but in this tutorial I will apply the solid color. So we already know the category. What we are going to do is go into the structural column, and here the pattern, apply the solid face, choose to this guy, apply it. Oh, sorry, it's not that one. Same scenario with the wall. If you apply here, it doesn't work. What he is, the column is from level 1 to level up to level 2. They will stay higher than the cut plane. So mean that the cut plane, the view range is cut to the column. So we are using this as a cut here, like that. So the color fade and what color? Okay, we're going to this. Look over this. The column is this color. The pike up, the boundary is this. The floor, the boundary is just like that. The river is must be this. And how about I would apply the color for the foundation. If I apply the color, the pine is not able to see the hidden line. So I will leave it that. Okay. So how about this? This guy is the column, structural column. He applied the whole category. How about this? The structural column, but it's underneath. You see that it's underneath that one. So how are we going to do is this underneath is the line, and underneath the structural column here underneath it must be this one. I'm going to choose. Let's see what is happening. This one is underneath. Is stay you can use for the projection surface. This column is the view range cut to the column. So that is the reason that two things you can apply for structural column. So you already set up this view to use in your template, and you will apply the view template in here. Okay, I did the data in here. View template is none. Now this one is customized view. You are created for the template. I was going to apply the template in here. Where should I go to apply this? I was going to show you now. This here view. Look over this view template. This the view. I was going to apply this template, and the creation is view from the current view in here. Apply template property to the current view, and the create. This is the creation of this view. I will apply this create template from the current view. This is a template. What you are going to do is, so level 1, because level 1 the foundation is over here. So you will give it the structure as view template, and this one you already set it in here in this view, but you already set in here, and the scale it might be the 100. It might be the already have 100 in this template. So we're going to apply the when are you going to create it? You want to apply this template, but you have to apply is identified here. Just click over this. If you call to the Revit, that might be the gray out because you already set in the view template in here. Okay, I will go back to the level 2. So this second level is we have the beam and the floor and the opening here, the floor boundary. Still we can use that as template. What is going to happen is we are going to use this template again. So let's see. Reload it, give it some time. You see the column, the projection is a blue color, it's a pine cut. In this structural template, we were using those format here, view range. I was going to look for the view range. Import view here. This view range will be applying in this second view. That is not good for this. So unlimited view down to there. And this is a different template in here. So what are we doing this? So we have to decide what the floor so we can choose the other the same scenario, which is from the level 1. we're choosing this the floor line. It must be the color is this color. So find it. Look over this. This is the beam is the dotted line. And structural framing, if you select this element, it must be the projection. He's not he doesn't cut to the view range, so he's underneath or there's a level. It might be the projection. So look over this structural framing and secondary. This is looking for the structural framing in here. The dotted line staying there, but the color we want, that the color is the red color. But you are not able to see that. The reason is the floor in here, the hidden line is shaded. Then we go into the floor in here. Where is the floor here? I might need that 20 mm for the transparency. Look at this. The beam is a red color in here. The line, special framing, is hidden line. And that might using this guy and the transparent DC. I will use 20. Look at this. The color is a red color for the beam, orange color for. I think the color is a little bit machine, so I will choose the beam for special framing for the other color. A little bit brighter. This guy. Look at this. Okay. How about the column? When we can be applying the solid in here, we select the structural column in here. Just call the tab for the structural column here. It's going to the level 2 to level 3, so we can apply the cut plate. And we're going to apply the cut plate, the column. That might be the structural column in here. And solid phase, the color is what color? You are going to choose the red color. I think the red color is just applying it. Look over this. The red color is the column in here. How about the wall? The wall is here. What did I tell you for on the level 1? The wall is not be in the projection. It might be the cut plane, the solid phase, that way the yellow here. Okay, look at this. The river is already in here. So what are we going to do is structure river in here. Line must be the hidden line, and the color will be green. Just like this. The river we are applying in here. Okay, for this, the projection shaft opening, So I will be applying another color. This project shell opening, so we're going to find the shell opening in here. Shell opening line, I will apply, okay, for this guy, and cyan color. Let's see what is happening. Cyan here. This is the edge of the floor. That is the reason highlighting the yellow color. Okay, how about this guy? You see the structural framing is that we apply the color for this the same. That is not very obvious, so we can choose the other color. Very bright and guys. Bright and color for how about the green? The green for the river. Blue on this light blue. Okay, so you see the light blue for the structural framing, and in here the one is might be the projection color that you see the still white, the black and white. This one we apply for the coupling in here. So we go to the structural frame, structural column, and the pattern and solid. Or applying the blue, dark blue. Here we apply this. Okay, we already said that. How about the view range? In here 304 is up to 1.5 meter, down 1.2 meter, in circumference 1.8 meter. He's setting up, but we are going to apply for this a template to using for in your drawing presentation, we are going to this view template and create and level 2 structure template. Just click over this. If you are not sure the scale, just let it be the 100. After you apply onto the sheet, it doesn't fit in the sheet, you can go back to the template to modify. You are not able to modify an outside because that might be gray out. Okay, parts visibility, show origin, VG, override, filter, is everything in here is already, but we won't apply it in here yet. So it might be the things in model display in here, that is a shaded in here. We're choosing the shaded, photography, everything, that clipping, so it's already included in here. This is a template you are applying for, or just okay. After you apply this, you're going to Autodesk D, then going to the view template in here, applying it, choose to this, just like that. Okay, so then if you are not believing, you can call the visibility, then everything is gray out. You are not able to modify in this view template. So you will ask me the question how I'm going to modify this visibility graphic. Don't worry about that. You go into the property bar in here, you go into the view template, look about this, what you chose here. Then you can modify in here, visibility is in here. Then you want to modify analytic model category, and the model category, filter, model revealing, what you want to hide and on, everything was on here. If you don't want this template, you can make it none, but you stay the same this template that you will copy from the template. It's just like that. Okay, for example, we're going to choose any other foundation plan, the framing plan. Okay, if I apply this template, see what is happening. You're originally choosing that one. This is the graphic override. It doesn't associate with a template that I want to show you in here for this tutorial video. Okay, you look at this, the structural framing is in earlier you applying for the level 2 template is all gone. Currently you are using for the framing plan. So what you want, if you are not certifying this template, what you are customized for the template is your own, you will choose want to use back. that might be convert it again. So just something like this. I might need to explain in the 3D view. In 3D view, and if you call it in the category visibility, and here Revit lens still wanted to show, but in this 3D view you still don't want to show all the column but the floor and the wall, but you can hide in here and the column, all the is a structural column in here. In this 3D view, including the framing, the wall, the floor and the foundation, and the foundation, the wall, the column is hidden, and here you can call the visibility, and you can apply in here, apply this template. You can create this template without the column. 3D view without column. Okay, just click OK. Then you're going to edit the editor. Then you apply this template in just like this. Okay, if you don't want it, if I call to the new template, but you see the graphic is grayed out, and if you don't want this graphic override, you can choose none, and you can apply the structural column. Just check again here, go back to the original, that one. Okay, how about I will duplicate this view? Okay, I will duplicate this view. I will apply this this a copy one based on the structural framing with structural column. I will apply the color. That might be the projection. Is it doesn't at the view range, it doesn't cross any of this. I will going to the solid line to okay, the red color. Just click OK. For I will choose the solid face and the yellow. And about the structural foundation, I will choose the solid face and this color. Okay, for structural color and framing, I will choose to the solid face and this color. That is the floor. I will going to apply the floor. I will choose to solid face and a little bit transparency 20, and I still wanted to apply the color or the cyan color. Just click OK. Okay, this color I will apply this template in here. It's not this. The create 3D view and coloring. Okay. Just click OK. And if you want to apply it in here, okay, this template is original. I will apply 3D view origin. Just click apply it. Okay, this 3D view is just like that. If you want, this is the customer color. If you want to change to, if you want to apply this coloring here, this is already applied the template. But if you want to change, you cannot even to apply it. You can modify it in here visibility, because it's applying the template in here. You choose a none in here, stay the copy for those coloring. But if you want to apply the original, you want to go to just apply it, that over to apply the color. And this is the default 3D view. If you want to apply the coloring or in here and the coloring, just click OK, just like this. And this one go back to original. If you want to change back to original color in here, just click OK. That's the color. This one, if you want to apply the coloring 3D view, it's something like that. Okay, the last one, If you already applied the template on the level 1 and level 2, but you are going, because of the scale is we set 100 1:100. Okay, I will choose either one method or whatever is the default template. I will put it this level 1. I will put it in here. The view is already set in up. At level 1. Okay, how about I will duplicate this guy. Surely this one doesn't have any other view. You look at this, too big, bigger than your view. But what you're gonna do is, and you go into this view, you cannot even change that color because of the gray out. What you gonna do is, you go into the template and you can duplicate this view, and okay, we are not duplicate the views, but I was choosing the custom color is 150. Sorry, 150. Let's about this here. Scale 150 is fit in your title block, and you can apply this. Okay, that's it. I hope you got it this from this tutorial video. If you learn from here, I'm so glad, I'm so happy for this. So see you next video. Bye bye.